Hey Brent, this is Sean with Street Sports. I just want to give you a quick confirmation that your turbo is in fact bad. I'm going to put my hand into the back to the turbine and let you see your shaft. You can see the thing is moving all over the place. That thing is so... You can see in there the shiny part. It's actually been eating away at the inside of the housing, and the tips of the blades are worn away. So you do in fact have a bad turbo.